All right, guys, well, it's day 2, and as you can see behind me, we had an unexpected delivery. So I called this morning and ordered pea gravel, and they said, how soon do you need it? I said, as soon as possible. They said, how about 2 hours? So it's here, and it's been delivered. So now it's time to get all the areas prepped and start getting the gravel down. All right, guys, we're out here for day 3. We're gonna get the sod all moved out, and then we are going to start spreading the pea gravel. All right, guys, so I'm gonna call it for today. I think we're pretty successful. We got the main side pile gone. It's moved over here, and we started laying out all of our stone. So I probably got another day left of this to get it all completely done. So I thought I'd talk about one little thing here. So I've got this tape that's meant for deer fly and flies, and it seems to have worked. I got a couple of them. I talked about it in the last video that I'll tag in the up at top and leave a comment in the description about it, where it is just tape that goes on top of your hat to help fight against deer fly, and it's just one extra thing to help protect since I'm so close to the woods. Now, I do have other traps in the yard. Again, check out the other video for all the information regarding that. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish it up. Luckily today is a lot cooler than the last couple of days I've been. It's only about 72 degrees, so we should make easy work of this. There's only a little bit left, maybe take me about 2 hours, and we should finish it up. After 3 days, finally leveled out to the edge. Very next thing is going to be building the beds themselves. The beds are going to go in the center. I'm not sure exactly the design. I thought we were going to do an L, but we'll see when we start building it what we like and what we accommodate. We may get creative, but I guess we'll find out in the next video. But after that, we will get the beds situated, get them filled. Then we're going to put our fencing in around the outside just to make sure the deer have no way of getting in. So that's going to be it for today. This project took about 3 days. About 17 tons of stone all leveled out here and underneath the porch. So, have any questions? Leave them below. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon.
A big frog.
Wow. What are you gonna do with them?
In a yummy pond.
You gonna put them in the little pond? Okay.